should be always
open. Yeah,
always open.
Always open. So I will consider one recommendation to provide locked open provision or CSO, car seal open.
It is a small wall. How can you put on?
कितना बड़ा है? How is it?
1 inch and 1.5 inch wall is there.
Yeah, so the wall is coming. Like a small one.
Okay, delete sampling.
But 1 inch wall we will not get it. Over the
Okay, no problem. I take your point when it is always open. And this wall is always open. It remains and difficult to provide CSO as being small, right? 1 inch wall, that's okay. And after that SV, if this SV fails, the same scenario, but I will take credit of standby because standby will help you. This will not be there. Sampling standby SOP, this one LT will tell you this is correct, and this is not there. This will tell you, this will tell you, this will tell you, this will tell you. Okay. So guys, in the first PNID, I'm going slowly, then I will speed up. We have seen no flow scenario. Now we'll go for second PNID.
Yeah, initially what we consider.
Okay.
give the feedback to the
Consider provide feedback.
feedback
Consider
to starter.
yeah, consider to provide.
Yes,
Feedback of what? Feedback of what? Feedback of level.
Feedback of rejection.